Hello, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, we'll try to go through simple example on linear equations in one variable, one of the famous or familiar problems in linear equations. That's a train problem. Okay. So very simple problem, easy to understand and easy to execute. Two trains A and B started from station X with a time gap of 15 minutes. If the speeds of A and B are 60 and 80 kilometers per hour, find how much distance B will travel and also how much time B needs to overtake A. So basically we have two trains A and B starting from one particular station. The time gap is 15 minutes. That means A started, after 15 minutes B started, and B is having a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, A is 60 kilometers per hour. So obviously B will overtake A. We want to find out from station X how much distance B has to travel to overtake A and how much time it will take for it to overtake A. Very simple. So let's try to understand. What we will do, we'll just put a small straight line here. We'll put a small straight line. Okay. Let us draw two trains. Let us say A already started, went ahead, and B is starting now. Okay. Let us say that B is starting now. So B is starting now. This is B. That is, let us say station, that's a train B, and this is station X, starting point. Okay. Let us see where is train A. Train A already went ahead because there is a time gap of 15 minutes. So let us say train A that is train A, it already left. So what we are trying to understand is the time gap between them. So this is given to us that there is a time gap of 15 minutes. Okay, right. Now we also know the speeds of the both the trains. So let's put that down. Train B is 80 kilometers per hour. It's going very fast, whereas train A is only 60 kilometers per hour. So what we have to find out is, if you after some time what happens is B will overtake A. Okay. Now let us think that there are two parallel tracks. Okay. It's not like one will go and collide with the other. Okay. Don't think in that direction. Let's not think about violence. Okay. So after some time what happens? A and B both will be at same point. That means can I say that after some time they will travel same distance? Because at the point where they are meeting, the distance they will have traveled from from station X will be equal to same. So we have speeds, we have time. Let us try to understand what to do from now. Okay. Now let us say that there is a time gap of 15 minutes and A still needs A travels T more minutes travels T more minutes. Okay. A travels T more minutes. That means A travels 15 minutes and also T more minutes to reach this particular point. Let us say this point is Y. Okay. Whereas B needs only T minutes to reach Y because A started before and it has already 15 minutes traveled, then only B started. So A needs T more minutes. What's the meaning of that? B just needs T minutes to overtake A. So let us try to find out what is the value of T. we can equate the distances here. You can see that. So first let us check with B. For B, when I compare distance equal to speed into time, B speed into time is equal to how much? B speed is 80 kilometers per hour and the time it needs to overtake A is only t minutes. If from B it takes t minutes to overtake A. Let us now look from A perspective. A speed into time or the distance covered by A. Okay, this is distance covered by B and this is distance covered by A. Again speed into time. Now we know speed is 60 kilometers per hour and how much time it has traveled? It traveled t minutes. Not only that, it started 15 minutes before B, so it has traveled t plus 15. Now we know that the distance is same, so I can equate these two. I can say 80t equal to 60 into t minus t plus 15 is minutes, so I'll convert that into hours, so I'll have t plus 3 by 4. Now we can simplify this. I will have 80t equal to 60t plus 60 into 3 by 4. 60t into 3 by 4. 60 into 3 by 4. That's nothing but equal to, if I take 60 to other side, you will have 20t equal to, we'll have 20t equal to 60 into 1 by 4, that's nothing but equal to 15. So that gives me t equal to 15 by 20, that's equal to 3 by 4 hour, that's nothing but equal to 3/4 of an hour is nothing but 3 by 4 into 60, that's nothing but equal to 45 minutes. So t is nothing but equal to 45 minutes. So t we have got equal to 45 minutes. So B needs just 45 minutes to overtake A. Okay. So we have converted this into from minutes to hour and again back into minute. You can just keep it as 15 and you can simplify. You will see that 20t equal to 90, 100 and t equal to 45 minutes. You can do it straight away also, no problem with that. So we found that B needs 45 minutes to overtake A. Let us cross check that. Also, how much distance both of them will travel? Distance equal to speed into time. That's nothing but 80 into time. Time is 45 minutes. That's nothing but 3 by 4 hours. 80 kilometers per hour into 3 by 4 hours. That's nothing but 60 kilometers. You can write it as 80 kilometer per hour into 3 by 4 of hour. That's nothing but equal to 60 kilometers. So the distance they travel 60 kilometers, or you can say from X, once they reach 60 kilometers from X, B will be overtaking A. So that's a simple example where we have used linear equations in one variable. So we will solve some more problems in coming sessions. 8th grade linear equations in one variable. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.